So I've been gardening for most of my life, and over the years, from time to time, I run into people who tell me that they would like to garden or that they used to garden when they were younger, but they don't garden now because it's too strenuous, because they can't do the bending anymore, they can't do the lifting, so they just stop. They feel like they have no choice. I took a look at my YouTube stats recently, and I noticed that over 70% of the people who watch my channel are over 45 years old. So even though they watch, a lot of these people probably don't garden anymore because it's gotten too hard for them. A lot of the YouTube channels, you see people out there, and they're a lot younger. So I spent the last couple of weeks putting together information so that I can do this series, and the series is Gardening Over 40. It's pretty basic, it's pretty simple, it's not rocket science. What I'm going to do in this series is show you guys how to, excuse me, you've heard the expression, work smarter, not harder. So, I should back up and tell you, I'm one of those people. I garden 365 days a year, summer, winter, doesn't matter. And I'm in my 70s. So yeah, I practice what I preach. So basically, it's going to show you how you can garden with less effort. You won't have to bend as much, you won't have to walk as much, you won't have to lift as much, and you can still enjoy gardening. So I don't want to get too much into it now. That's the basics. That's pretty much where we're going to go with this. And the series will start in a few days. So if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you will see when the new videos are out. I'm going to try and put a video up at least once a week, and usually Tuesday around 12 noon. So, like I said, hope you guys, especially you guys who want to garden, but just don't have that strength, that energy, that stamina to be able to do a lot of the moving around of the things that you need to do in order to be able to have a successful garden. Okay, so that's it. I'm the Frugal Gardener, and I'll catch you guys in a few days. Have a great day.